Hey everyone, welcome back to Oralix. Today, I'm sharing my ultimate shower routine that's perfect if you want glowing skin and silky hair but don't have a lot of time. Whether it's before school, work, or a busy day, this routine will make you feel fresh, confident, and glowing. Step 1. Prep before the shower. Before I even step into the shower, I do a quick prep. I brush through my hair to remove tangles. This prevents breakage once water hits. I also line up my shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and face cleanser so I don't waste time searching mid-shower. Prepping saves a few minutes and helps you stay consistent. Step 2. Shampoo. Step 1 is shampooing. The trick is to focus on your scalp, not the ends. I pour a small amount into my palm, lather with water, and massage into my scalp with my fingertips, not nails, to avoid irritation. Massaging boosts blood flow, which can help with hair growth. Fun fact: over-shampooing strips natural oils, so 2 to 3 times a week is usually enough for most hair types. Step 3. Body wash and exfoliation. Next up, body wash. I go for a hydrating formula with gentle ingredients like aloe or shea butter. Using a loofah helps create a rich lather and lightly exfoliates my skin. I focus on rougher areas: elbows, knees, heels, where dead skin builds up. And here's a pro tip: if you exfoliate just 2 to 3 times a week, your skincare products will absorb much better after. Step 4. Conditioner and multitasking. Now it's time for conditioner. I only apply it to the ends of my hair, never the scalp, because that can make hair greasy. I like to leave it on for a few minutes so it really soaks in. While it's doing its magic, I multitask washing my face or shaving. This way, you're still keeping the routine under 5 minutes without rushing. Step 5. Face wash. For my face wash, I always pick a gentle, sulfate-free cleanser. I massage it in with circular motions for about 30 seconds, focusing on the T-zone where oil builds up most. Then, I rinse with cool water, not hot. Cool water helps tighten pores and keeps your skin refreshed. Quick tip: avoid using body wash on your face, it can be too harsh. Step 6. Quick rinse and wrap up. After everything, I do a final rinse. I make sure no conditioner or shampoo is left behind. It's super important because leftover product can cause dandruff or weigh down your hair. For a healthy shine, I like to finish with a quick splash of cool water on my hair. It seals the cuticle, making it look smoother and shinier. Step 7. Post-shower care. Even though the shower is over, what you do after matters a lot. I gently pat my skin dry instead of rubbing. It prevents irritation. Then I immediately apply a light moisturizer or body lotion while the skin is still damp to lock in hydration. For my hair, I avoid rough towel drying. Instead, I squeeze out the water and wrap my hair in a microfiber towel or soft cotton t-shirt. It reduces frizz and prevents breakage. If I have time, I use a lightweight hair serum for extra shine. And that's my 5-minute shower routine for glowing skin and silky hair. Simple, quick, and perfect for busy mornings. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Oralix, and share it with a friend who needs a glow-up routine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.